Hey guys, this is Ultimate Finger Bike coming at you with the bike check on my Sunday Model D Pro Model Flick Trix. So let's get started. Okay, so it has blue grips on the front and Odyssey spacebar bars, and it also has a red stem to it, and it has blue tires with red rims on both the front and the back. It also has a red chain wheel, which I put on it myself, and black pedals, and also a black seat. I really like this bike because of the color choice. It also has some gold in it on the frame. I have a gold fork, but I don't really like the way it looks on it. But comment, rate, and subscribe to Ultimate Finger Bike, and look for other videos. Thanks for watching.